solid spruce panel was used for the seat base in this project. It is essential to measure everything carefully and determine the final dimensions of the seat base, in our case, 60 by 30 centimeters. Next, mark the positions where the decorative buttons will be placed. To increase the overall sturdiness of the chair, 4 by 2 centimeter spruce boards are glued along the edges. The cutting was done using a hand saw, however, a miter saw would be a more precise and efficient option. The boards are then glued to the seat base. The adhesive must cure for several hours before continuing. Once fully set, the edges are sanded smooth and the project proceeds to the next stage. Foam was selected as the cushioning material for the seat. It is very important to ensure that the foam thickness provides sufficient comfort. The foam is then glued to the spruce board using contact adhesive, chemopren, trimmed to the desired shape and covered with felt to achieve a firm and quality surface. This layer does not represent the final finish, as it will later be covered with decorative fabric. To achieve the final tufted effect with buttons, holes must be drilled, or in our case, carved into the wooden board. We then proceed with the final upholstery of the seat using fabric. It is important to choose a fabric that is pleasant to the touch. The fastening cords are secured to the underside of the seat using a staple gun. The chair legs are made from the same material as the seat frame. Again, using a miter saw instead of a hand saw would be preferable for greater accuracy. Both ends of the legs are glued together, and the joints are filled with a mixture of wood glue and sawdust. The entire structure is assembled using self-tapping screws. The screw holes are then concealed with wooden dowels. All surfaces must be thoroughly sanded to ensure a smooth finish and then coated with a wood stain or paint of your choice. Finally, mounting brackets are attached to the top of the legs, allowing the legs to be securely screwed in to the seat base.